It's absolutely staggering that a firm like Wonga could make up two law firms, just to bring you the names because you may have received a letter from them. Cheney, D'Amato and Shannon was one of the firms, and Barker and Lowe, Legal Recoveries. These are two entirely fictitious law firms that were made up by Wonga. They used those firms to send letters to customers who were in arrears, giving them the unfair impression that their case had been passed on to the legal authorities and they would face legal action as a result of not paying. As you said there, Wonga has apologised for this. They say they stopped this practice 4 years ago and no longer will that continue. But nonetheless, it's staggering that they could be at the stage where they were making up law firms and then on top of that, charging customers for the letters that were sent from these fake law firms and adding that debt to already what they owed to Wonga. So this, as we said, happened between 2008 and 2010. They say that practice has now stopped, but nonetheless they will pay £2.6 million in compensation. This is a fine imposed by the Financial Conduct Authority, and it affects, we think, about 45,000 customers. Now, in terms of getting your money back if you were affected, we're told that compensation will consist either of a cash payment or having your balance, if you currently have a balance with Wonga, that will be reduced. They also say that Wonga will contact any customer affected, so there's no reason for individual customers to contact them. But I think one of the most interesting things, and a lot of people have been getting in touch on Twitter, is about the scale of this fine, that actually it isn't a lot of money in the big scheme of things, but also why there is not a criminal investigation. They say there will be no criminal investigation as a result of this, but nonetheless a lot of people questioning why you can make up two law firms, pretend to be lawyers, yet there's no criminal investigation.